In this video, you will learn how to put two videos side by side in CapCut. So if you are looking for a CapCut tutorial to put two videos side by side, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to put two videos side by side in CapCut. As you can see here, I have opened CapCut app on my Mac, and first of all, we will create a new project in CapCut. For that, we will click on this file option from the left menu items and then click on new project. Or you can also simply press N button on your keyboard and that will create a new project in CapCut. You can see we have created a new project now, and in order to put two videos side by side in CapCut, first of all, we will import the two videos that we want to put side by side. For that, we can either click on this import button and then select the videos from the directory of our choice, and we can also simply drag and drop the videos into the timeline area. For now, I'll click cancel and simply drag and drop the videos from my downloads folder that I want to put side by side. First of all, I'll drag this one, and you can see the video is imported here in the timeline area. And next, I'm also going to import another video that I want to put side by side. So I'll drag this one, and once dragged, I'll put it over the previous layer of the video like this. Now you can see the two videos are put one over another in the layers, and if we simply select this layer and disable it, you will see the below layer now, and if we enable the above layer, you will see the above layer as well. Similarly, we can also enable and disable the below layer, and you will see one is horizontal while another is vertical video. Now, in order to put the two videos side by side in CapCut, we will have to resize the two videos one by one. So we will select one of the layers first and resize that. I have selected this layer, below layer, and now if I bring my cursor here, you will see that the cursor will change to two-sided arrow, and after that I can simply click and drag it like this to resize it. You can see this is zooming out, and then I can click and place it like this. I'll keep it to the one side and play with the video to see what suits and fits the canvas. You can see this is a horizontal video, so I'll keep it until here to the middle area, and after that I'll work on the another layer of the video, the top one. So I'll simply click on it, or I can also click on the top video layer in the timeline area, and that will select that video. And after that I can simply drag it like this and then get the cursor to the corner area and zoom in like this as well. And further, I can also resize it and decide what portion I want to show in the video like this. And finally, you will notice that the two videos playing here will stop, that one of the video is not showing and only one is showing because the top layer has ended here. So we can either resize it and crop until here so that both videos should end at the same time, or we can also simply copy and paste the top layer and play that on loop. Let me show you that by undoing now. I'll simply select this top layer and then press Command and C to copy that, and after that I'll press Command and V to paste it again. You can see now the same video is here and here as well. Now at the last part, I'll trim it to fit it to the size of the below video layer, and after that you will notice that the same video will play again. So this is how you can put two videos side by side in CapCut, and once done with that, simply click on export button here and export the video. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add background music to your videos completely free in CapCut, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.